Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be building a skyscraper tower using magnetic tiles. After assorting my tiles according to shape, I started off building using 6 tiles as my base. I continued building up until a suitable height. If you're enjoying watching my videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you're enjoying watching my videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Once you reach a height that you are happy with, close the top using 3 square and 3 triangle tiles. A 4th triangle is used to close the ceiling of the tower. There are many different designs you could use to complete the tower. I completed it using the longer triangle tiles to make a pointed edge. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe for more. See you next time.